Okay, so hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 2610, that is convert an array into a 2D array with a condition, and in this we'll be given an integer array nums, and we need to create a 2D array from nums satisfying the following condition, that the 2D array should contain only the elements of the array nums, and each row in the 2D array contains distinct integers, and the number of rows in 2D arrays should be minimal. Okay, and we have to result the resulting array. If there are multiple answers, we can return any of them. So for example, we are given the nums array as 1 3 4 1 2 3 and then 1. So what we can do, we can form the resultant array as 1 3 4 2 would be one line, would be one row, then the other row would be 1 3 and the other row would be 1. As we can notice that in every row no number is repeating itself in it. Okay, so it's a basic map question. So what let's do, firstly let's create an answer list of integer, that is our return type. So this will be our answer list. This is equal to new array list, and now also have a map, and in this we'll be storing the frequency of all the numbers that are occurring in nums. Integer comma integer map is equal to new hash map. Okay, and then let's do that for int num in nums map dot put num comma map dot get or default num comma 0 plus 1. Okay, so here till now we have just updated the map. Okay, so now let's run a while loop, that while not map dot is empty. Okay, so let's have a list of integer, that will be our current row. Current is equal to new array list. Okay, and then what we have to do, and now let's also have a list of the integer for the keys that we have to remove. Keys, okay, is equal to new array list. Okay, so now what we'll be doing, we'll be traversing in the key set of that. Now map dot entry sorry, integer comma integer, let's call it map, let's call it, sorry, entry in map dot entry set. Okay, so now let's do first get the key. Let's call it as key is equal to entry dot get key. Okay, and now let's add this particular key to our current row. Current dot add key, and then what we'll be doing, entry dot set value, okay, not set value, for entry dot set value, and here we'll be decreasing one from the particular frequency of it. Okay, and now we'll be checking that if entry dot get value is equal to 0, then we have to add it to the keys list that we have to remove. Keys dot add key. Okay, so now we have updated our current row, and now we have to remove the keys that we have to. So let's do int key in keys. So map dot remove key, and at the end let's just add our current row to the answer list. Current dot add new array list, and here we'll be passing current. Okay, so and at the end let's just return ans. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, entry dot set value key comma. Okay, let me just entry dot, I guess here it should be entry dot get value, sorry, dot get value. Okay, now let's run it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so yeah, now let's submit it. and it's all set. Okay, so yeah, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.